Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your videos slow motion on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you have a video and you want to make this into slow motion, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your gallery app. Next, go ahead and open up the video where you want to make it slow motion. Go ahead and play the video. So now using your finger, go ahead and tap on the video and hold it there until you want the slow motion. So by holding it there, we'll start the slow motion, and by lifting your finger off, we'll stop the slow motion. So for example, let's just use this as an example. So here I'll go ahead and long press on it. And here you can see the slow motion is happening now. Now I'll keep pressing it until I feel and once I'm happy with that, I'll go ahead and lift it off. And now I'll go ahead and tap on download. This will now create me the slow motion clip. Now I'll go back and see the slow motion clip which I've just created. And there you go guys, that is how to create a slow motion clip out of a video on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.